Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can separate vocals from instrument in a music or song using Filmora. Unfortunately, there is an AI feature in Filmora that makes it easy to do so. So at the end of the video, you should be able to get either the vocal or the instrument of the audio, which is useful if you want to get some karaoke files. Now, let me show you how you can do it. But before we start, I think it is worth mentioning that I'm using Filmora 14 and this feature is only available as far as I know. Filmora 13 and 14 at the moment. I'm not so sure about Filmora 12 or 11, but if you are using Filmora, it's always encouraged to use the latest version. Anyway, let's get into the tutorial. First, you have to insert an audio or video files into your project timeline. Here I have a song that basically was generated by AI, and I'm going to separate the vocal from the instrument. I'm going to play this song for a few seconds so you can tell that there is audio, there is vocal and instrument in this particular file. I'm going to click play. By the way, it's kind of loud. I actually have tested this, so I'm going to enable auto normalization because the audio is just too loud. It's totally optional. You don't have to do the auto normalization, but I'm going to play it. Okay, so we can tell that there is definitely vocal and instrument. Now I'm going to, I'm going to split. It's no longer, I don't want to remove that just to save time. So I don't want to, do the process for all the 30 seconds of video. So I will just show a few seconds at a time. Now I just want to remove this. So leaving us only on this section. So in order to remove the remove the vocal, you have to click on the audio file and then you want to right click and then click AI vocal remover, or you can also go to tools, audio, and then AI vocal remover. And now we just need to wait until it finishes. It is using AI, but it is not consuming your AI credits, which is useful. So as you can see, my AI credit stays at 87. So it doesn't using the AI model from the server. It's using AI in our computer. Anyway, we have done with the separation, and you can see that now there are two more files created. This is the original, this is the voice, and this is the background or the instrument of the song. Now I'm going to mute this section. I'm going to mute the music as well, leaving only the vocal. I'm going to play it back. Now if you mute the vocal and enable only the instrument, this is the result. And yeah, that's basically it. Now you can do whatever you want with these files. You can only keep the audio, the vocal, or you can also just keep the instrument. So yeah, that's the two files that we got after separating the vocal from the instrument from this file. Anyway, that's basically it. If you find this video to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.